Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee, and as you all know, I am a booktuber. At present, I am making videos on this book, and the name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. So what I do is I make videos on each and every topic, one video on each and every, because as this book is this long and I cannot make the full full book on one video, so I make a video on each and every topic and I give a number so that you can understand. At present which video is going on. So this will be my 21st video and I will give it the number in the description and even in the title. Okay, and in our last video we have covered only genuine desire can lead to change. Okay, so in our this video I am going to cover visiting another realm in the spirit world. Okay, and you can do if you have any doubt you can do comment in the comment section, and you can connect me on Instagram, and you can also mail me at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906@gmail.com. Okay, so I will start today's video. Okay, visiting another relay, 2nd May 1981, 2/5/1981, visiting another realm in the spirit world. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is talking about the spirit world, their world, right? And as in the earlier video I have mentioned, there are 7 realm, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? And 1 2 3 is considered to be a hell, fourth is considered to be like earth, and fifth sixth seventh is considered to be a heaven in the spirit world. And each realm have one level, total 10 level in each realm. So we come here to increase our level. So as I said, this is a game which Vipsi and Ratu said us earlier via Khurshid Bhavnagar in this book. So I will start. There are 7 realm in the spirit world. The lowest of the realm 1 and the highest of the realm 7. So according to your good deeds and sins, your own subconscious mind take you to the realm you deserve to be on. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling there are total 7 realm. 1 is the lowest realm and 7th is the highest realm. So according to our karma, so our subconscious mind takes us to that realm from which we belong to. No one can go higher than he deserves, no matter how much he tries. Here Vipsi and Ratu says nobody can go higher than he deserves. How much also extra we try, but we cannot go higher from which realm we deserve. We go only in that realm. It is possible for a soul to visit higher realm as that realm is invisible to him. It is impossible for a soul to visit a higher realm as that realm is invisible to him. Here Vipsi and Rato is telling it is not at all possible for a soul to go to a higher realm because that realm is invisible to that soul. You can only see your own realm and the ones below you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling we can only see our own realm. For example, I am in 6th realm, so I can see all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I cannot see the 7th or higher realm. From realm 5 onwards, however, a soul can visit a higher realm if certain requirements are fulfilled. Here, there is a good news. Vipsi and Rato is telling from the realm 5 onwards, a soul can visit higher realm if there are certain requirements are fulfilled. Some for a higher realm. So these are the requirement criteria, terms and condition which Vipsi and Rato is telling. So first criteria is some from a higher realm should invite him. Means for example, I am in 5th realm or I am in 6th realm. So from 7th realm I should get an invitation, because as in our home, if somebody is hired to us, they if they invite, we can go in their home. In the same way, if from 7th realm somebody invites, we can go. We if somebody invite us, we can go there. Permission should be granted by high good soul of that higher realm. So high good soul of that higher realm should grant permission. Okay, you come. They should approve it. Then we can go. This is the second criteria. Third criteria is he has to undergo certain training. So that soul have to do certain training, some internship or training to go in that realm. And the fourth criteria is he must wear a protective cloak so that the extra bright light won't blind him and extra light atmosphere won't suffocate him, as his soul is a little heavier Then the soul in the higher realm, he needs a clock that makes him lighter. Here, this is a very important thing Vipsi and Rato is telling. To go in that realm, we need to wear a protective cloth. The reason we need to wear protective cloth, because when we are visiting that realm, that extra light which is there, we should not get blind because of that extra light. That is the first reason. Second reason is our body, because there people who are staying there, their body is much lighter than our body, so that it should not affect us. And realm, he needs a clock, then make him lighter. So that will, third criteria is, it will make him lighter. If whatever protective cloths we'll be wearing, that will make our soul lighter, so that we can match their realm. You cannot stay in the higher realm for long, and you cannot go often. You can go from realm 5 to 6, and from realm 6 to 7. Very rarely, and for a very short time. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling we often cannot go from realm 5 to 6 or from 6 to 7, but we can go for a very rare period of time. And we can only go one realm upper. So if I am in fifth realm, I can go only in sixth realm, not in 7. And if I am in sixth realm, then I can go in seventh realm. That is the highest realm. We have made such visit. Some of us have had the great privilege and honor of visiting realm 7. However, we can all go to the lower realm to visit or to improve someone as often as we would like. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling, in the lower realm we can go as much time possible. There is no restriction in going in lower realm, but higher realm, no, we cannot go. If we must visit the lower realms such as realm 1, 2 or 3, we also need a protective cloth. So visiting 1, 2 or 3 realm also, we need a protective cloth. This Vipsi and Rato is telling. The protective cloths make us invisible to all evil and bad soul, so that they and their bad vibration don't harm us. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling we need to wear a protective cloth. By wearing this protective cloth in the realm 1, 2, 3, we become invisible, so that the lower soul and the evil soul cannot harm us by the wrong intention or by the wrong vibrations. Those on realm 1, 2, 3 can never leave their realm. Here, those who are staying in realm 1, 2 or 3, they cannot leave their realm. Except when they have repented greatly and genuinely and have been shown the way out by kind souls from higher realm. Only there is a certain chance they can leave their realm if they have shown the thing of improvement, that I want to improve, I want to go upward, and the soul living in higher realm says, okay, I will help you, in only in that criteria. This only occurs when the good souls are sure that the soul from the lower realm will never again commit those sins. It is only possible at that time when the higher souls on the higher realm are sure that this soul is not going to commit these sins again. That time only they try to help and they come to help. The soul then has to repay those he has harmed by taking rebirth and paying off his karma. Here then that soul have to repay those karmic account by taking again birth and the and finishing those karmas. This can sometimes take hundred of years, whereas at other times can take only few years. This is entirely in the hand of each individual soul. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling to pay off the karma. It can even take 100 of years, and even it can take a few years. It depends upon that soul, right? Many have risen from the lowest realm to the highest realm in few hundred years. They are also some good souls that have never seen realm 1, 2, 3 in their entire spiritual life. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling there are many low souls who have risen from realm 1 to realm 1 to from the lowest realm to highest realm, from lowest realm to highest realm. In few hundred years, many lowest soul who are staying in lowest realm, they have came to the highest realm, and there are many such soul who have never seen realm 1, 2, 3 in their spiritual journey. There are this type of also souls in their spiritual career or spiritual life, they have never seen realm 1, 2 or 3. Every soul starts its spiritual journey from realm 4 stage 5. So as I said that in every there are 7 realm, and in every realm there are total 10 stages. So from every soul starts the spiritual journey from realm 4th stage 5. This is being said. Many souls have risen very rapidly. Other have taken thousands of years, and still other have been in the lowest realm for eons. Here, Vipsi and Rato is telling many souls have risen rapidly. Many souls have taken thousands of years to rise, and many souls are still on the lowest realm. There is no fixed rule or time for souls. It depends on the individual, and if the desire to improve is definite and genuine, it take a shorter time to rise in spiritually. Here there is no particular time at how what time the soul will rise. That completely depend upon that soul, that soul is going to take how many years to rise. It is depending on him. So if that soul says I want to rise faster, I want to go in the higher realm, definitely there is a possibility and that soul can rise, and that soul can go in the higher realm, right? So friends, this topic visiting another realm in the spirit world came to an end. Now our next this was the topic which came to an end. Now the next topic is, that is God's justice. So this I will be covering in the next video. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I'm doing is I'm making part by part so that you people can understand. If you have any doubts, you can connect with me on Instagram, you can mail me, you can direct message me, DM me on Instagram, you can comment, ask in the comment section, because I give each and every answer to the comment section. And okay friends, so today's I hope you all are fine and you have understand today's video. Okay friends, bye, take care.